A gente tem que acordar. Mas sabe o que é, irmão? Que é mais forte do que tudo, do que o dinheiro, do que tudo, é que eu jamais vou ceder pro crime.
I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Oh, friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light.